Connecting to your usual cloud session on a Windows PC is a very straightforward process, even from your remote computer or your home computer. You can either search for remote desktop in here and select remote desktop connection, or on some other Windows laptops or PCs you will see that in Windows accessories and remote desktop connection. At this point, the computer name you're going to enter is the same one as you use in the office, so that'll either be your company name .denovobi.net or .cloud. Then you click connect. We won't save a username at this point, just for security reasons. We don't want usernames being saved on PCs. You'll click on connect. That will then challenge you for your username and password, which is the one you would normally use in the office. You'll say yes to the security warning, and you'll be connected to your cloud session. Best of luck.